Hello fellow programming engineers. For today's snippet we will go over how to make a simple debugging method that you can apply your scripts to output useful data onto an LCD screen to debug what is going on. To begin, let's make a simple platform. We will want a power source, an LCD panel, and the programmable block. Rename the LCD to something unique that you can remember. I'm using Debug in all caps since it tells you exactly what the LCD is and is easy to remember. Set the display mode to public text. Next, let's write the new method. You'll notice that I've put in two arguments here, text and append. This allows us to tell the debug screen what to do when we call on it. Append tells the screen not to clear the previous data off of it when it writes. We will usually append most data, but I like to clear the screen during every run so we always see the current data. Use your discretion when debugging on whether you want to clear something or not. To make this work anywhere in the entire program, we will have the method itself retrieve the block we are using. Let's make a variable of type iMyTextPanel. I'm calling it screen, though you can call it whatever you'd like. Set screen to grab the block you named earlier. I'm not grabbing all LCD screens because we want it only to work with this particular screen, and it is just extra work to filter through other blocks when we know which one we always want to have. Now let's go ahead and make the debug information written to the screen. You'll notice that I've written +/n here. This is because I personally prefer to have it always line break after each call. You can omit this if you would prefer to insert line breaks into your strings manually. Let's have some fun with the argument variable to demonstrate this function. Build a new button block. Assign the programmable block to all 4 buttons, but in the argument dialog that comes up, put in a different message for each button press. Go back to the programmable block and let's add the code we need to make those buttons do something. I'm adding debug argument true. This would append each press to the screen and show which button I pressed. Hopefully using this code in your code will make it a lot easier to find out what's going wrong and where so that you can get all those bugs out of your system.
Hi there, space programmers and engineers. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write them in the comments below. To my left, you'll see the next video. my right, you'll see the previous video. And here is a convenient button to subscribe. Keep coding, everyone.